Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So I know that a lot of you, or most of you guys, hate the fact that I'm bearish on Bitcoin, but you guys know that I'm 100% bearish on Bitcoin. I have been for like the last couple weeks, if not month or so or whatever. We actually just did that reverse cross on the reverse MACD, which you guys know is my own custom indicator that I built. The last time that happened, every single time we crossed, we did end up trading down another couple percentages, man. And in some cases, we ended up trading down a lot more. So I do think that this is just the start of Bitcoin and I don't want to say crypto in general, because I do think that, I don't know, the whole market is messed up, man. The Vitalik, I mean, let's get one thing straight. Vitalik didn't want any of those shitcoins in his wallet in the first place. All that stuff was gifted to him. Him selling it was great, because it basically like tanked the whole fucking market, like the whole doggy competitor market, and a bunch of people got shit on and lost a crap ton of money. So to be completely honest, I'm kind of happy that happened, because you guys should have gotten shit on a long time ago, right? So I'm gonna be honest, right? Second part, Elon Musk completely fucked all of crypto by taking back the fact that he doesn't accept Bitcoin for his Teslas anymore. I don't think it's gonna be doggy. A lot of people are saying like, oh, it's gonna be doggy. I don't think so. I actually think it's gonna be ADA or ADA or what is it called? Cardano. So I do think ADA is a very, very good competitor for what he wants to do, you know, which is essentially accept crypto that's more, you know, energy efficient, whatever. I don't care. But the main point of this is, I know I've been giving you guys a bunch of bad news on just crypto lately and stuff, calling out Doggy going down, calling Shiba going down, whatever, right? But as of right now, Bitcoin just crossed that green MACD level, which basically telling longs like, hey, sell your longs. If you're long on this stock or if you're long on this position, sell. There's a reason Bitcoin is creating these big candles and look, we already crossed under that 49,000 level. I wouldn't be surprised if this weekend we end up dipping to 45,000, if not less than that. Like I'm telling you guys right now, like it's looking like if anything, we might rebound back to 55, or I think we might rebound back to like 53,000, 54, and then dip right back down. Like it's not looking good right now as far as for crypto. Every time that this month bubble gets created for Bitcoin, we do drop an additional amount, and this is well on the basis of what I told you guys like a couple weeks ago. I'm still shorting Bitcoin, by the way. I'm not out of my shorts. If anything, I'm going to add to my position now. But I do think Bitcoin has a solid chance of dropping to 45 and then to 38,000. And a lot of you guys already know that I'm definitely bearish on Bitcoin dropping down to like 17 to 20K. I definitely think it's a possibility. So I'll do some further TA a little bit later, but we'll see what happens in the next couple months or so but I'm still bearish. We'll see what happens.